Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Honda Jazz ES Plus. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 51 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19, and this is a tow-owner vehicle, having covered just over 16,000 miles, and has been really well looked after by Honda, having yearly services. This particular colour is the metallic urban titanium, and it looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside on the Jazz, first of all, you've got the nice tall wide door opening there, so easy access in and out. Then you've got the nice hard wearing fabric there on the seats with an armrest on the for the driver as well. And then onto the dashboard, you have your FM radio there in the centre with a CD player, and this car also has climate control. And then on the right hand side of the steering wheel there, you have your folding mirror controls, and then finally on the driver's door card you have your 4 window switches. For a small hatchback, it's surprising how practical the Jazz is. So again, nice wide door opening, easy access there if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And also the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice loading sill with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have a storage net just below the boot floor there, and then you can lift the boot floor completely to reveal a lot of extra storage there, so nice and practical. Externally, the car comes with the 16-inch alloy wheels. It's good to see the car's also got front and rear mud flaps as well. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.